So here's the first part of our upcoming dinner, which is some really nice looking homemade sesame seed buns.
Tonight we're having our awesome homegrown lamb burgers, and we figured it's a family favorite around here and we would share the recipe. So without any further ado, we're going to get into that. So we're starting, there's that so again. We are starting off with 1 pound of our ground lamb, grown right here on the farm, Icelandic. You're going to add 1 small onion. It kind of works out probably to about 1/2 cup. You want it chopped up pretty fine. Key to this is the mint that goes in. You're going to do 1 tablespoon of parsley, 1/2 tablespoon of oregano, and I did 2 tablespoons, not quite, of the mint. So the mint is what gives it a really, really yummy flavor. So we just put all that in.
You can use fresh or dried.
Yeah, well, this time of year we are using dried, but it is stuff that we dried from our own garden this year. Then next you're going to have cumin, ground cumin, 1 teaspoon. Paprika, 1/4 teaspoon. Pepper, just regular black pepper, you want 1/2 teaspoon. I'm just using my 1/4 teaspoon, so that's why I'm doing 2. And it says a teaspoon of salt. I don't really do that much because I don't like it too salty. I think it's not so good for you. So we're going 1/2 teaspoon salt. I also put in our homemade feta, crumbled in there, which is also salty. So that's probably another reason why it doesn't make sense to do the full amount of salt. But basically our homemade feta is just kind of little cubes like that. Most store-bought kind of comes in a cube or a block anyway. And you just sort of crumble probably 3 or 4 of those in there. I will write this recipe down below for anybody who is interested in giving it a try. We're feeling cheesy tonight. We're going to go 1 more just because it makes it delicious. They're kind of like a Greek burger. But that's basically everything in there. We're going to just kind of mash it up, and we'll come back when we're ready to make patties.
So we've gained a little helper.
Somebody's ready to make some patties. We're going to make 4 patties out of this, so basically kind of like 1/4 pounders. So I just push it all down nice and level, divide it into 4 sections so we end up with them roughly even. And then Alex is going to show us her trick on how she makes her burger patties. Wonderful, right? Mm-hmm. So tell them what you're doing.
I'm pretty much pushing it down a little bit.
Yeah, and what are you using to make it work nicely?
Tin foil.
Yeah.
Because you don't want it to be dirty.
There you go.
You push it down like that, and then you can go like that.
That's right, you can shape it. How's
it's
it
better
looking?
if you use wax paper? Is that what it is?
Yeah, but we don't have wax paper right now.
So we're using tin foil.
Yeah.
It works too.
Okay, how's it looking?
And it's cleaner for little helpers.
Mm-hmm. Well, I'd give it a squish down a little bit more. We want it pretty spread out there. These are, Mom made big buns today. There you go. Whoa, don't get too crazy. All right, let's see what you got. All right, give it a nice little shape in. There you go.
There's
and
number 1.
show flopper in. That's it. There you go. Be careful, your pan is hot. Good job.
1.
1 in, 3 more to go.
So here we are. 4 burgers cooking in the pan.
Yeah, now they usually kind of take about 6 minutes each side. But one thing with the lamb burgers, you definitely don't want to overcook them. That's something that we did notice. So
Lamb in general.
yeah, you don't need to overcook it. So, but anyways, they're going to be tasty. And that's our lamb burger recipe. Here they are all finished up. There's a multitude of sauces and things you can put with this. We do a mayo with a Greek dressing or a Caesar dressing. The kids like it with ketchup and mustard like any other normal burger. But one thing that we do really enjoy on our lamb burgers is our pickled turnips. They're the fermented pickled turnips. We have a video to that which we will link above. But amazing flavor on those. So anyways, bon appetit. It's time to eat. was with it? What?
Well, you didn't say, but
Oh, okay. Yes, good point, Christopher. Our side dish is roasted veggies with balsamic vinegar. The green beans are frozen from our garden, and then we've got some frozen beets, carrots, potatoes, and onions all in there. It's yummy.